ke ugel namhlanje.
I want to thank me.
Might not be here.
So Dr. C sizobukela le champagne yakhe the whole season.
Coronation. The whole time, she's kind of not counting Zena as being there, and Zena has taken the time to show up and dress up and be there.
But it dress like yellow, it's so nice.
And girls, how do I feel about Dr. Sis giving to gift me? Which gift? She's been offering us all those her dirty liquor that she manufactures.
Dirty liquor.
I have not taken on any of it. It's not because I didn't want to drink. I'm repeating it again.
You are a drunkard, girl. There is absolutely no way you wouldn't want to drink.
No, it's your event.
I don't think she's interested.
Hello, Bolavi. Hello, Bosiri. Hello.
Yes, it's not nice to leave her alone. No, you're not gonna
What are you doing?
No.
When?
It's my business.
No, you were live. Hi, but who accepted you, my guy? Who's Aziz? Who accepted you? So you forced yourself into my life. Hey? Patong.
She's in the mood of receiving a gift from me. Excuse me.
Dr. C doesn't want to engage Dana.
Oh, truly. Hello, Mom Elsie. Hello, my love.
How would you engage someone?
Patong, Mucho can you into my life? Like, witchcraft, guys, is real. Whatever. Witchcraft is real. Like, I didn't accept that person into my life.
Okay.
Again. I don't get it. Micheline a zombie. Yeah, that's it. Micheline Togoloshi, guys.
God forbid.
Why
You shut your mouth ahead. You shut your mouth.
Yogo pizza. Yogo pizza. Nizogubo pizza.
She's fine.
Hello, guys. Oh, today's a Saturday. Let's hang. What's going on? What are you guys up to? Didn't hang.
There goes away, and she really didn't come back. Wondering where she was. We're waiting for her to start the game.
Hello, Bosiri. Hello, Bolaf. I'm from a wedding in Mpumalanga. Hey, Linselinyala Mpumalanga. You're just watching me. I'm watching the Real Housewife of Nairobi. Or Nairobi. Nairobi, ne? I'm watching the Real Housewife of Kenya, and it's so nice, guys. Had a chance this December. They should the Real Housewife. Oh, and the Mommy Club, of course.
Quite exquisite, if I can say so myself. So I don't know if Vera was threatened by what I looked like, because she actually went to change. But I don't know if she meant to change. I don't know if she meant to change anyway.
Vera, why do I feel every time you like to upstage me?
Please watch the Real Housewife of Nairobi. Oh, it's so nice. After she made the Mommy Club. Okay, watch the Real Housewife. Okay. Are you showing people that you're abusing me? A whole queen. Yeah? A whole queen. A reigning queen.
Just ignore the dress.
Hey.
It's the crown, baby.
Hey.
Exactly what I
Imagine I'm being abused here by this lady.
The crown.
The master of games is here.
No, I love you and I wish to meet you one day. Would long meet her, show me.
Ladies game,
Would long meet her,
so
love.
nobody's going to be on their phones.
Okay.
Which your phones here?
Hey.
Mine is the
But
side.
Zena manje. Ay, Zena sokubora. No, Zena must just perish. She doesn't know how to play the game of the reality shows. Right now, Dr. C is the reigning queen. Dr. C is the Her Majesty of this show right now. Dr. C, hey, she's the mastermind. I wish to meet you one day, baby. Oh, yes. Guys, auntie, what's a langa TikTok encha where people can just come into your life? Hello, Onkoputse. Hello. How did you get yourself into my life? Like, is this new to TikTok? Like, TikTok, guys, what's a halal? Where people can just
she
Yeah?
needs to leave. She
It feels like
really didn't
this is
leave the house
rape,
completely because
where people
the
just
entire time I didn't
but
have
no, it's they just
networks,
enter
and
your
she was
life.
not able to reach
No
me,
man,
I was not
TikTok,
able to
stop
reach
it, man.
her. So are you going to
I made you a
hospital right now?
moderator.
So
When?
like for real.
I made you a moderator. When, guys?
You're participating. Why don't
You made me a moderator. Hey, ibile umpisa happy. I was happy. I made you a moderator ning newo.
I did not say I was not participating. No, it's the way you're looking at me. Bitch, don't try me. Not me, I'm not.
Kanjani? Shuko TikTok ichintshile.
So this game goes
Shuko
like this. I asked the question.
Shuko TikTok ichintshile.
Which of us
You made
ladies
someone.
would mostly like
You
to
made
do what
someone.
they can't say?
I was happy.
You know, meaning
I
is
wonder
not
who's the
to see with
moderator,
our
who's
eyes.
just accepting people. Please,
But you see,
the
it's
moderator,
not plain
don't
that.
accept people into my
I
life,
do that
please.
pretty well too.
So what are you guys up to? Good about it. It's a Saturday. I was 2 days old when I found out who
Yeah, you.
The Lion King was shot in Kenya.
Me?
How can she to this reality show where the Real Housewife?
Most likely to
Hey,
be
I want to go to Kenya so bad now because I just learned today for it.
I know
The Lion King was shot in Kenya, in Africa here.
Who is most likely to open a fair
Now is the
social media
moderator.
account of,
Guys,
spy on people? I think
how are
it's
you? I
me.
love you. I love you too, baby.
Dr. C, how many studio accounts do you have?
Oops. I'm not even active on social media. I've got my own account and another.
I'm checking up on social media, lo. Dr. C. Eh?
To spy on people. To spy on people.
No, our staff the show Dr. C. But it's full of on social media, yeah. Which is come by. Showing 7,000. Uloyi lo bekafonile. Ngithe phazini ngamabomu wabona. Ah, I'm still alive. Avangizwanga ne? Did you guys hear what I just said? Did you guys hear? Did you guys hear? Alangudla ne? Abang Aningzwanga, I received a call. We heard. What did you hear, Chomi? It was a call from my business partner. Not personally, I'm not okay. Iba okay, Chomi. Iba okay, Lisiba July. Please, Iba okay. Why thinking we only live once? Things that we cannot change and situations that we cannot change. Just accept them and just choose to be happy, baby. Just choose to be happy. Yeah? Dr. C is there to stay. I'm enjoying Dr. C, baby. I'm enjoying Dr. C. Much love from Zimbabwe. Kopa invite Moko Harare. I just want to prove one thing, Hore. There's satellite dish there, according to the other mommy from the mommy club. I want to check that out. Lisiba kitloba okay, bjwang ke sena wena marato laka. Ha, nangusbari. It's like you want usbari wena. No, let me see. No, don't do that. Lisiba, July, Mudiba. Eshape, don't do that. Don't do that, Papa. Don't do that. Motivational speaker, member of Dubai, royalty. My people, limo, kopa le vete ntate Lisiba July Mudiba le mo vete, then le tle ko nna le feedback le mo approve kapa le mo decline. Ibile ke acha. I love you so much. Thank you so much, baby. Declined. Ha. What if you love of my life, Lorna? Oh, you know we meet our people anywhere in the world. I meet my love of my life on a live. You know? Hi, when is season 4? I don't know. You can DM Kimang. Show me. I can't wait to see Her Majesty with Crystal. I've been with Crystal. She's my G. She's my girl. The Mommy Club belongs to you, my love. Hi guys, ibile se ke stopile the Real Housewife of Nairobi because I went on live. Bye bye. Let me love you and leave you. Let me finish. I want to marry you. Hi dear, is Auntie Zota from Harare. You're welcome anytime. Okay, baby. Alright, I wanna come there go Harare. King Victoria what? Victoria Falls. I wanna go to Victoria Falls. And I wanna walk with the lions. Pastor, I didn't greet you. Hello, babes. Hello, Her Majesty Onka. Hello, babe. 4 people approved. Who are these 4 people who are approved in Tatil Siba? We're not old. U hirile batho. Ke na le abuti o sharp bjang. Serious. Ona le zaga, ona le geld. Ona le matsebetsebi, ona le di-dollar. Ona le smeremere. Ona le snogo-nogo. Ona le snogo-nogo, ona le menshini. Ona le Ferrari. Rari. Yes, guys, I'm so...
He doesn't, my darling.
Do you have a pen and paper there? Zaka Kimfan. Yes, I have a pen and paper. Yo, guys, I'm so playful today, shame. Okay, get number from Busi or Tamsanganka. Okay, mommy. Tamsangan, that's my uncle. But so can I leave the number? Can I leave a pen? Abuti, I've got the pen. I've got a pen with me. Even I wanna end this live because I wanna watch The Real Housewife. Hi, Happy. Can I please be your first female code for driver? There's no vacancies at this point, my love. But so wanaka umametsi dipina tsa di 1K. Umametsi Let It Burn by Asha. My daughter is going through the most weird departure. Oh, Titiba to my baby. Leave that thing. Leave Bashimani the boys. They will hurt you. You will listen to Asha. You will depart. You will go through the most. You will perish. Get the boys. I'm not Israel. Tlogela Bashimani. Bashimani bajalo dintsha tsa game. Dogs of life. Get the boys Bashimani. You will find yourself Omametse through hill. Hey, Asha. Bo Lady Train. Oh departure. Oh, we're thinking how landy. Go Momo ye wa flyer. Lagi bona bathong. What are the numbers there? R068 068
Yeah.
then 27 6 then lastly 28 31.
Okay. Uzothumela i-wallet manje lo muntu.
O tla romela proof of payment, re mo romela account number.
Okay.
I was still there. Kima. My manager will call you, ne? They will vet you, ba romela account number, and then Rano. Kisale jota ka bashimani, dintsha, dogs of life. Let's go dumela bashimani. Haba right. Are sharp skate ball.
I've sent this number and account number.
My manager just sent you an account number, baby. Let's go banka serious bashimani, dintsha. Let's go banka serious. Don't take them seriously. I'm a demon. I'm a devil worship. I'm a vampire. Those are the boys. I'm a vampire. I'm a Freemason. I'm a Illuminati. The boys. I'm a Freemason. Brotherhood. Illuminati. The boys. 666 gang. Yay. Yo. Bashimani. like they were sent by the devil. They have a meeting every night with the devil himself. Amo. Okay, let me watch. Let's continue. We are on episode what? Like, how did I even find myself in this life? Devil worshippers. Kyo lisiba lena. Ko utloto sabu 666 ba haine. Abuti lisiba utloto sabu 666 ba hae. And na hatsi borena. I'm best friend with God himself. Kore utlo shapa ke kama. Athintiswe ke lefatshe. What's again? It's fine. But Shimani the boys. That's why I'm not really independent and single. We don't need this devil worshippers. Patung. But dedicated. I don't know how to read this language. Moena ka rechtela skat. Okay. Ke devil worship.
Again, devil worship. Manje sesiyamvenza. Akahlakaniphe right now. Siyamvenza right now loyo.
Okay.
Manje siyamvenza.
Over ke country yoyohle. The whole country. Kukobalisa balomu Google lomu lonta looking at me and you can make a beautiful we can make a beautiful couple. Hi, wena.
Fast lawyers. Yes, fast.
Too good to be true.
No, very fast.
Too good to be true. You are a red flag.
Yes. Lona flag.
Papa, you are a red flag.
Lo flag ihamba. Lo flag ihamba.
Are ke rata mahlo a rena. O red flag, Papa. O red flag. No, motho o rometswe ke Freemason gang. Ke motho ke team ya brotherhood. When now you are part of the brotherhood gang. Hello, my baby.
Hello, my mama.
Hello, my darling. Ke motho ba tlo ba stepfather sa hao.
Mommy, I love you.
Yeah, Shemona ka tsebe Sesotho. When I need to teach you Sotho, Shem. This thing of you not knowing Sotho, like you're not making me proud. Can you please bless me with your own clothes, guys? I cannot share my energies with strangers. I've got cousins, I've got helper. Like, guys, this thing of asking strangers clothes and wigs. Guys, we are black people. Imagine say go find to a stranger. I don't know, maybe an enemy sent you to go and get my DNA. Stop it. Stop it, it's not cute. Kinality cousins. They're broke, they're poor, then guys, just think about it. Just think about it. I've got to help her. Hey? No, stop it. It's not cute. Stop her. The stranger. Imagine saying, Beyonce. Beyonce, send me, give me your clothes. Then the next thing, rude. Imagine, like my hair. Hey? Beso uya ko koko maweni. Ka wiki yaka one lawyer Satan shit diaparo tsaka ka unela na one lawyer and stop it. It's not cute at all. Imagine se ke DM mawe ke mang Beyonce ke kopa Beyonce that bodysuit o ya pereng ko London to at the concert
when you were waiting for your kids.
Batho ba bantu Latina, wait. Latina. Stop it. And I've got so many DMs. People asking me for clothes. Why? Homeless. Yeah? Because they are lawyer with our sweat, my energy, my DNA. If I were a stranger. Come on, guys. Stop it. Hey, give me your hair. My man, come, baby, come. My happiness, it's just I'm glad we finally found each other. I found my man, Luna. Hey, I found my man. When I opened up, apologize, stop it, because imagine, Michelle Obama a message. Hi guys, la lapis. Come back to the orphanage house. Kampani kayofa dikhutsana. Stop it. It's not cute. No. Yabana, my crash out is valid at this point. Very valid, Latina. We also have poor families. Things that you don't know. We also have poor families. We've got cousins. We've got our helpers. Guys,
Very true.
stop it. Stop it. I'd rather give it to my cousin or my helper. Stop. Imagine mutual social media.
Or your team.
Or my team, my manager's cousin, what. Yeah? Imagine when, yeah? Dintswalo, or romantic my enemy, the baton lawyer. Barry Murumele with a fake account. Mukupeda Parotench. Yes, we got her. Yeah? Next thing, Kitopa di Pampir. Hey, let me leave it. Baby, come back here on my comments. Let me husa. How they will end up asking the underwear. Batuba, yeah, the devil formed against us. Sure.
Okay, let's go back to
Ntate Lisiba, come back here. You are the only person that met her in this life. Ntate Lisiba, nge? You are the only person that met her. My husband can come back, please. Hi guys, don't take anything serious today. Only the clothes and the valid crash out. The clothes and the hair, yeah, I was valid. But yeah, Ntate Lisiba, come back here. We still have to talk. Oh, maybe you're too many mad. I'll check in my banking app. Yo, baby, rumela chalete, thanks waka dali lenyalo, white wedding. Kyo red flag bua. Bull, devil worship, I can't bulela kasebel. Rumela chalete. There's no proof of payment. Prove them wrong, Papa Lisiba. Happy Lisiba. Yo, guys, I am so funny today. What the hell? What the hell? Her Majesty really miss you on TV. Oh, baby, thank you so much. Hi, man, let me call this person that called me. Got 2 seconds. I need to call Mloy. Mloy.
Who is that?
Anyway. Yo, but I look pretty. I'm so crusty now, Pella. I'm real as fuck. Real as fuck. Now I can do a live kilimodi jamming. I can do a live again. Cycle 10 times 10 over 10 minus nothing. I mean, what's again? Whenever I feel like I can. But so, Ntate Mahlangu just entered the chat. Lisiba, you've got a competition. Kyo Ntate Evangelist Mahlangu enter. Kuyashuba manje samba nobaba umfundisi. Samba nobaba umfundisi. Baba Mahlangu. Ngisikuza sakho mina. Dumela beautiful. Yebo baba. Yebo baba. Na kizawuzamela baba umncane here. Yebo baba. Yebo baba. Yebo. Yebo my everything. Ang enda. This is the end of my life. Ngizinikela kuma devil worship ngiyazinikela ngayo yonke into. Ngizinikela kuma devil worship. Athi yebo nkosazana. Ngiyazinikela. Uqobo lwami ke namhlanje uthathiwe ugone ngikhohlwa necareer. Ngiyafokofa ngiyahamba. Happy Mahlangu. Hi, guys, ngicela nicheck ubaba uLisiba ukuthi usase right. Ngicela check ubaba uLisiba ukuthi usase right. Bamshaya ngestina on a live.
Angazi ba no leader right now.
Bamshaya ngestina on a live.
Send my number.
Hi,
Account.
Bamshaya ngicela check ubaba uLisiba ukuthi usazi wena kopana utlolo mputsa how old is my daughter. Is this life about my daughter? Stop it. Bangbuzu, how old is my daughter? You wanna remind me that I'm a mother on my life? Stop it. Like, stop it. And follow me if you can. Ubaba uLisiba, right now, ngicela nimcheck ukuthi sase right ngoba Baba Mahlangu evangelist Fikile. Thatha inkosazana.
Lalela.
But I vote for Ntate Lesiba, Papa Lesiba, Usharp.
Uphi?
Guy, Ntate Lesiba. But say, let me say,
Uphi? Uphi?
Guy, Ntate Lesiba. Aye, go back type in the rest in peace to Ntate Lesiba. He's gone.
He's gone, eh?
Yeah, type in the rest in peace. We really type happy Mrs. Mahlangu. Happy Mahlangu. Uba Mahlangu Samile, standing on business, my man. Happy Mahlangu. Type in more happy Mahlangu. Oh, he's still sending money. But he's still sending money. Utabile shem, utabile, send them. Rest in peace to Lesiba. Boss squeeze habatle batlo muthusa hle.
Hayibo, ngiyachekisha futhi ayikho leyo nto.
Uhambile ne?
I-account ngicela ukuyi-check.
Na I am happy Mahlangu. Rest in peace. Happy Mahlangu. Homonate jwang? Homonate jwang?
I'm not.
Hi. Ulisiba udliwe ivote wathatha lo mfazi on national TV and national platform. Happy Mahlangu. Apha manga wami. Sona baba omncane ntanami. Apha manga wami. Akasazi nesizulu. Aphi.
Ulisiba, what is this? Ulisiba, Ari, what is this?
Ndatami wini uthini lo?
Send the account.
What is this? Baba Mahlangu.
Lisiba.
Sime ngawo. Ungangitsheli ngaloyo. Ungangitsheli ngaloyo. Wavuka umuzi kababa. Hayi kugiwa kanjani? Sikufaka isizulu sami ke manje.
Maybe I believe.
Ngiyofaka isizulu sami ke manje. Happy Mahlangu ngochange i-username ya. Bathi Happy Lesiba. Bathi ngochange i-username Happy Mahlangu ke lo. Guy 1, Happy Mahlangu guy 1. 2. Showmax to Images. Happy Mahlangu guy 1. Guy 2. Umbuka ku Showmax umbize Her Majesty. Uthi lo leyo loser le.
God forbid. Wena I'm kuleyo live yakho futhi ayishane zami. Ukushaya manje. Athini?
Phela ubaba Mahlangu uzothumela i-early present gift. Angise Cape Town.
Guys.
Ipete kabani?
Ngi-1.
Ubaba Mahlangu uzongisa eDubai. How? Or sicale la eCape Town.
Guys, please do something. Kanti uLesiba. Ayabona kuze bafanele bakho social media.
Futhi amapedi angeke wathembe nganix. Amapedi angeke wathembe nganix. Ngeni Newcastle KZN. Wanongoma. Baba Mahlangu, se Cape Town wena
Cape Town.
Se Cape Town. Amapedi awiki kabi.
Sakhuluma uthi wa Cape Town akusho ukuthi
amapedi awiki kabi.
Akusho ukuthi send ama details ngibhuke manje.
Phela makangiproverong. Basa abona ke amapedi basa busy bathi Happy Lesiba guys nifuna
I came back from Mahlangu's profile.
Ubani lo uLesiba? Uyayibona i-competition yakhe? Nina nifuna ukuthi niye ku poverty.
I just came back from Mahlangu.
Nina nifuna ukuthi ku poverty.
You don't judge a book by its cover.
Ngicela uye kuMahlangu, awucheck kuMahlangu lapho. Awucheck kuMahlangu.
Ubani Sabelo X uthi the only man amaswati.
Yes, Osmelani. Ngiyabuyela eMaswatini.
Send the account.
Ngiyabuyela eMaswatini. Ngiyabuyela eMaswatini.
Sisenda i-account ukuthi usiprove noma Mr X.
Amadoda uSabelo awucheck iprofile kaSabelo lapho. Awucheck ucela kuMahlangu.
No.
Singibheke. Ngathi ngithola i-type.
No.
Ibirthday yakhe ngoFebruary.
Asimveze. Send the account man.
No, mangithumele le perfume ethengisayo ngizokupromothela yona iperfume yakho baby.
Yeah.
Amaswati Marie yazini Oh. Anyway, awuye kuMahlangu.
Yeah. No, Mahlangu, ngathi
Sekune competition. Sekune competition.
ngathi competition sayithatha.
Ulindo kuhle uthi sithungise no one wouldn't want to miss the wedding and Mrs. Mahlangu. Kodwa Mahlangu akakabiki anything etafuleni.
At least u-X uza ne-perfume.
Nama looks dark, tall and handsome.
Uyabo?
Awuye kuMahlangu lapha. Awuye kuMahlangu ungalingi nje ungidlise ngeteam.
Okay. Mahlangu.
Bizana bobhuti benu bajoin life wena Queen Khutli. Competition. Ungayenzi into yenzayo. Ungayenzi. Don't judge the book by its cover. How? Hi, Majors, please check your inbox. But I'm inbox on my ninja. Just beg about Mahlangu manje. I say, okay, I will video call. Uba lo tsazo video call Mahlangu or indoda.
Ulesiba asendi imali ya video call.
Yeah. Ulesiba. Isikhathi sakho sindlulile bhuti.
No, ulesiba ngiyamblock.
No, sisiphumile emapeding.
No. Ulesiba xa.
Sesidlulile lapha. Angisho phela mina izo like vele like izo like broke. Do you understand? Like it's no into like high.
No, ulesiba you are now blocked, sweetie.
Hey, it's my birthday. Please send the
Okay.
cake. But
Khona a new contestant.
Ubani, Mahlangu, please do. Uba Mahlangu. Nah. Awubheka usasekhona la ku life kunento engifuna kunopower ngifuna ukudlulisa.
Okay.
Usasekhona la ku life kunopower ngifuna ukudlulisa.
Umuntu khona.
How babusabelo wazowashare ne life ngicela iperfume baby.
No, iperfume pa ku Mr. X, ne? Mr. X.
Usabelo
Sabelo. So was negama lakhe. Tate.
Ngibile ku emaswatini isibongo wakabani baba? Sibongo.
No, sekaphumile.
Mhlambe ngibuyela kaSimelane. Uphumile lo Mahlangu. Ngintshele ko Mahlangu uhamba ngegolf 1.
Washesha bo. Washesha bo.
Cabang.
And when that time uhamba ngePorsche.
Mina ngihamba ngePorsche, ngihamba ngeRange Rover, ngihamba ngeGLE ngihlala kumansion. Nangu umuntu golf 1. Hi guys. Niyasikhulumisa. Nisikhulumisa kakhulu. Konje besikuphi? Besifunani? Bengithi ushekeni lapha?
Mahlangu akasekho ngithi.
Hayi yes.
So manje ngithi uhlebo uMahlangu.
Bengisabuza ulona usabela uthi wakabani isibongo. Cabanga into okuhle cabanga. Like basikhulumisa kakhulu. Ulona usabela uthi wakabani?
Mara uzoyisenda.
Uthi ngiwakwa yini DEW, what is that?
Man. Uzoyisenda xa iperfume before sibuzi.
Obvious, hayi perfume into ezincane. Umuntu kumele umteste nge-10,000. Perfume is nothing. Perfume is nothing. Uyabona wena Sabelo, if you don't send me my birthday gift ne, mina ngizotshela umhlaba wonke ukuthi vele uyahluleka. You are in embarrass amaswati. Phela mina bengishade emaswatini, so don't you dare
do that.
Ukhulumisa amaswati kabi. Don't you dare ukhulumisa amaswati kabi. Uthi ulona wakabani, isibongo sakhe. Khona manje sekiswitchile kibuya language eyalona guys. But he looks good. Kamogelo, do you vote for Sabelo?
He looks good.
He looks good. Does the bank account look good?
Does he look good? Oh, it's just one person accessing to that. Does he look good?
Guys, does Mr. Sabelo X lamo votela? Hape lisiba uhlulele Mahlangu ahluleha. Now we've got Sabelo in the game, in the chats. Sabelo X just entered the chats. Ke kopa le ko Sabelo ntate Sabelo check up profile ya hae ya Moswati re bone hore o representa Maswati. Re bone hore is he the guy? I also vote for subs. But one vote for Sabelo? No. Nna ke o ratela Matsonga le Matsana. Anyway, I will humble you, yes. Ba votela ntate Sabelo. Subs, please. Mapedi a hloleile neo. O ska mpolela ka mapedi a hloleile N1 ngwana bomma. Ngwana bomma o hloleile.
Mara uoga athi ulokhunjana nje.
Ubani?
Alright.
Ubani?
Ulokhu usabele Mr X.
Bathi uSabelo right?
Bathi Mr X kodwa iperfume uzoyisenda yini?
Perfume is nothing. 10,000 uyithumela 100,000 or something. Okay, let's vote. Let's vote.
No, my bad.
Hayi, kunolakhi intimande. Ubani intimande? Bathi kunointimande. Ubani intimande? Ishangani. Amantimande mashangani lawo.
Ubani manje loyo?
Bathi like intimande. That X. Ish, guys, I'm on my life.
Ubani loyo?
But Sabelo I vote for Sabelo, ne? Lindo kuhle. Ndate X ke Sabelo. Ne?
Yeah.
I'm Tsonga. So
Okay, umpumi wesifundazwe uthi Sabelo, which is Mr X. But do you know him? Sisikonto mesitshele yona.
ngazibani, who do I know?
Wazi.
Tintswalo,
Ulakhi.
utintswalo ishangani.
Bathi uyamazi like intimane sitshele.
Lucky, are you sure?
Sometime.
Lucky or Laz? Which one? Hi guys, I'm joking. I'm joking. Love from Kenya. We are watching The Real Housewife of Nairobi, and Kenya is so nice. I was 2 days old when I learned that Lion King was shot in Kenya, and I want to come to Kenya. That's part of my 2026 bucket list. Are you against Tongas? I'm not against Tongas. Bring the Ntimande here. Like Ntimande must come. And then we've got Sabelo X on the chats. If you know how much I love you, mommy, I love you too. Hello, Auntie Happy. Hello, Her Majesty. Hello, my love. There's so much love from Kenya here. Like, Ibo. You're my favorite, mommy. Hey, if not me, then who, babe? I love you too. Sabelo obalele, Janu.
Ngikubuza ukuthi perfume wathi wena 10,000. Uyofika nini ku 10,000?
Kungena ubitso wami. Nangu happy Thando. Nangu ubitso. I'll check your profile ka bitso. Mhlambe it's a potential. Bare monna wa Kenya yena. Ke mang monna wa Kenya?
Lethu ngoba phela une profile umfazi wakhe athi CEO, you can't.
No, like
Umfazi phambili wathi CEO.
Nang into engukuthanda yona ubaba sindani.
Okay.
Into engukuthanda yona.
Ngathi insizwa le. Kodwa AI first profile AI sisinayo.
Red flag.
Okay. Be careful ngale.
I love your daughters, you raise them right. Thank you so much, love. I try my best. Usabelo. Subs buya phela. Aw. Yazi udlisa team yamaswati uSabelo.
Ubalekile.
Hayi. Ngiwathembe kanje amaswati kodwa bengishadele khona Ubalekile.
Oh.
Ntate lisiba so kumele proof of payment.
Ngithi ukhaya ngiyangena.
Yazini. Why?
Ngithi ukhaya.
Why?
Yini manje?
My only daughter, my one and only daughter. Are you okay? You're depressed. You're going through the most. Why? Why?
Uvuyo uvuyo.
Hayi.
Uvuyo.
Tlogela bashimane, ha ba le rata.